Bhargavi. I am MBA first year student here at Vidya Institution of Technology. In short, SVIT, a combination of both business administration and engineering. SVIT welcomes me with a beautiful atmosphere where I can find greenery everywhere. Then girls hostel, boys hostel, ground, basketball court, etc. etc. SVIT provides better learning environment that includes placement training from first year, better placement opportunities, industrial visits and library, the place where to gain knowledge from the book. Vidya Institution of Technology has the most experienced lecturer in both teaching profession and corporate world. They help us to enhance in communication skills and managerial skills. The college conducts the cultural fest that named as Sanchana and Tech Vidya, which is related to education and which helps in career development. I have some collections of SVIT and the activities has been conducted.
से करेंगे सबका स्वागत। स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत।
Happy to be a part of SVIT. Thank you.